Welcome everyone. Today I thought I'd show you the inside of the mass control module, which main function is to control the fuel pump relays. So if you have problems with starting your car, you have checked that your fuel pumps perhaps are not running, this could be worth checking. So the first thing you want to do after you have removed the module is to have a look inside to check all the solderings, to check if the fuel pump relay is okay. So when you remove it, there is this twist button on top that says 0 and 1. It's basically just to twist it to 0 and pull it up. I will show you this in a separate video. So to remove the internal circuit board, you would need some plastic prying tools to jiggle it out. There are a couple of plastic end stoppers inside the containers. You have to use your prying tool to pry out the circuit board. It is a bit of a hassle to get your prying tool inside there to wiggle out the circuit board, but once you get past these plastic end stoppers, it's just to pull the circuit board out. So once you get the circuit board out from the container, you can have a look at all of the soldering joints, maybe resolder all of them if you have the time. And also check that the relays are functioning correctly. You can measure with your multimeter on the pins to check if the circuits are okay. So I thought I would also show you the wiring diagram and which pins to check. If you look at this legend, you can see that the fuel pump assembly is called M3. There are two fuel pumps, M3M1, M3M2, and they are both controlled by module N16, which is the engine system control module. So if we take a look at the wiring diagram, we can see that the N16 module is in the top with all the inputs and outputs. If we look at pin number 1 and pin number 2, we can see that pin number 1 is the main power input to the module. And if we look at pin number 2, this is the power output to the fuel pump assemblies. So this is the two pins that you want to check if you want to check that your fuel pumps are working. I have also attached an overview of the pins and the information of what each pin controls. You can also see that there are some test values that you can check to make sure that your mass module or your N16 module is working. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more videos on tips and tricks for your Mercedes SL R129.